Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with yet another Quince haul. I can't stay off the website, it's just too good. And I have a lot of really cute things to share with you, of course, like always, so let's do it. All right, let's jump in. I got some really cool pieces, and then I honestly had a couple misses. So let's start with the first miss, honestly. I just feel like it's not a complete miss. You'll see in the try on. I didn't think I liked the top cut, how it was like straight across and the straps were like kind of in the middle versus like towards the outside. And then it did this weird thing, I feel like underneath. I didn't button it all the way up here. This part, I just felt like it wasn't flattering, honestly. I wanted to love this because I love white dresses. But I just didn't love this as much as I thought I would. So you guys know, if you watched my recent like dress clean out video, I have another one coming soon, but I was like, I'm not keeping things if I'm not loving them. And when I tried this on, I was just like, the fit was like meh. So I think I'm gonna send this back. Unfortunately, I don't think it worked for me. So it looks cute on so many of their models and like I've seen it everywhere, but it just doesn't, it does nothing for me. I will say it's true to size though. If you like that sort of cut, fit, all that, I feel like it's true to size. But for me, I just didn't love it. Something though that I do actually absolutely love and didn't expect to love it as much is this dress. But I do need to know, do you think I should size down? I don't think it doesn't fit me well. I'm just wondering if it could fit me better. This is stunning, okay? This is stunning. It has a halter neck. I own nothing like this. Also, I own no like little cute black dresses that are like sexy-ish. I just don't own them. I think it also could go up just like a half an inch to an inch. I know a lot of people are like, no, but like me, I'm like just a little bit. Not like where it's like above my fingertips. Like it needs to go to my fingertips, but this is like almost a little too long, which I find that being the case with a lot of Quince dresses. They're more conservative, which don't get me wrong, I'd choose that over short, but this is that crepey material. Do you know what I'm talking about? I didn't think I'd love it, but it's perfection. Okay, it's halter. This back cutout, this is where I'm like, could I use an extra small just to give me like a little more tightness, I felt like. But honestly, I'm probably just gonna keep the small because it's so good. And I'm like, do I need other colors? I wanna say they have this in red. Stunning, stunning. Low back. It's got the hook and eyes on the top. It's got a hook and eye on the back, and then it's got a zipper to get in and out of. This is so cute, so flattering, and I just did not own a little black dress. I know you might be like, I find that hard to believe. Well, I'm just not a dress girl, and so I'm trying to like build my dress wardrobe and like kind of get into them. So I'm used those videos to like clean out my closet and clean out what I don't like and then find what I feel like I'm missing. And I felt like I was missing just a classic little black dress that's so cute. It's like conservative in the front, which is good for me, but the back is like paute, you know, like a mullet. I'm here for it. Okay, next up is this top. Actually, I didn't show this on because I was wearing it already, to be honest with you. It is wrinkly. I don't know why I'm wearing it, but it's a little like button-up tank sleeveless type of thing, and I just thought it was so cute. These sort of things remind me of my mom. It's a little bit of a stretchier poplin, which is nice. I got this in a small, and I just think it's so cute. I kind of love it. And I feel like I will wear the heck out of this with jeans. I feel like you could wear it really casual, but you could also really dress her up. And that's what I love about a button-up. And a sleeveless button-up, so good. Okay, so if you watch any of my Quince hauls, then you know my obsession with their like bamboo pajamas is like, I don't care, it's insane. I have black, navy, gray. Is that it? Black, navy, gray, and now I own the green. I wanted the Valentine's Day one, but they sold out. But yes, I will eventually own every single color. They're not expensive, but like, I don't need that many because I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 sets of bamboo pajamas already. Now I have 5. So, or wait, navy, gray. Yes, now I have 5. So it's like, I don't need to because I wear my pajamas at least twice. I don't know, at least. No, mostly, just twice. And then I wash them. So I really don't need more than like this many. I need to throw away my Cozy Earth ones. They're like donezo. So now I will have 4 good pairs, which I feel like is great. I wash my laundry once a week. I will have enough to wear for at least a week. And I love that. The green is really cute. I did get a small in this. I opted for a small instead of a medium, which I normally do, which honestly I will say I just like the medium. I like the length in the medium on the sleeves as well as the pants. I like the length. If you don't get a medium, or if you don't size up and you have longer limbs, I don't feel like I have like that long of limbs, but like enough to where I feel like it hits me like here, where I'd rather it hit here. And then on the pants, it goes to my ankle. So I guess it's personal preference. I think some people like more of like a cropped fit, but these are just my favorite pajamas. They feel cold. Like right now I'm holding them, they feel cold, which is like the best feeling. They help me sleep good through the night, and I've never been a matching PJ set until I found these, and now you cannot pry them out of my cold dead hands. And I will say, like the Cozy Earth and all the other like Skims or whatever, they're like $100+ I think these are 50. So a steal. So good. Okay, let's talk about workouts. I have tried some of their workout sets in the past and honestly just been like, meh, not impressed. And honestly, I don't know if I'm fully impressed either. I want to try a different size because I think that might be my issue. I love cheap workout wear too. No, I don't love cheap. I love cheap, good workout wear. I love CRZ Yoga. I love Halara. Not cheap, but I mean like not like Lulu. These have a really good feel. I feel like they're almost too silky and stretchy where I need to size down. And I'm not an extra small by any means, but I feel like these I could have used an extra small. I had a little bit of gathering in the crotch. I felt like they just didn't hold me in enough. I don't know if these are supposed to like hold you in a ton, but like I need a little something more. They're nylon spandex. They're cute. I love green, okay, if you can't tell. So I think I'm gonna try an extra small as my last hurrah. See, if not, I'm probably gonna leave Quince's activewear on their site because I don't know. But, and then the top to go with it, matching set, cute. I'm loving more full length tops. I just think they're adorable, and I love the back detailing. Again, I feel like I want this to be a little tighter. So I think I'm gonna try an extra small in this as well, but I do love this. I love the crisscross back, the open detail. I just feel like I want it to just at least sit on my body and not like go away from it. You know what I mean? Especially if it's full length, I want some more compression, tightness in my workout wear. I feel like it also stays better and I'm not like finagling with it if it fits to my body. So I'm gonna grab this in an extra small too, and I will keep you posted probably in my next video, like in a month or so, 2 months, I don't know. You know, I can't stay off, but I think it's cute and I love the coloring and I like the style. I just need to try the extra small. Last but not least, I got a sweat set. I tried their sweat set that they first launched like way back in the day. I wanted to love it. I did not love it. The pants like weren't full fleece. They had like this patch on it that was cotton. Oh god, okay. The fit was off. The softness was off. These feel, if you watch my vlog channel, I don't think the vlog's up yet. I don't know, it might be by the time I'm here. Anyway, I washed these and dried these. These feel like my Abercrombie ones. And if you know, like my Abercrombie ones are like my top tier. I like them way better than my Aritzia, better than my Aloe Yoga. Like they're just plush, they're cushiony, they're soft, they're just everything. Washed and dried. They shrunk a little, not a ton. I got a small in these. The length is perfection. I can wear with sneakers. They're not high waters. The pockets I will say are very large and in charge. Like I feel like they're very large and in charge. They go down the leg. But this is like the most cushiony, plushest. These literally, I wouldn't know the difference between these and my Abercrombie ones. They're so good. So freaking good. And they're the straight legs. Love. And then I decided they have zip ups. They have hoodies and then they have crew necks, and I didn't have a crew neck in a gray and I figured I would get so much use out of it, so I grabbed that. This I got in a medium though. I would say I should have just gone with a small. It would have been fine, perfectly oversized with a small. The medium's almost a little too oversized, but I don't care. I already wore it, I already washed it, and I love it. So yes, incredible. The most plushest, cushiest, squishiest sweat set. You will not be disappointed. They have black navy. The gray is my go-to. And I didn't have a straight leg or a crew neck gray. So now we do, and I love. And I'm so happy that they redid their sweat sets because I knew once they came out with sweat sets, it would be incredible. I just know these things, but this did not let me down. So anyways, I love you guys. I hope you found this video fun, helpful, whatever. I will have all the details in the description box down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button in terms of the items, the sizes, and my general measurements as well. In case you know I'm obsessed, but that dress is going back, and I'm gonna change the workout set for a smaller set. Besides that, try that black dress. So good. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.